Oh, feels so nice. Oh, yeah. It's because you rustled up all the dirt before you took a drink. Oh. Yummy. Come on. You don't need that. Swimming! Woohoo! Good girl. Oh yeah. How's it going, folks? Blue and I take a little trip to go swim in a waterfall. We're about halfway into a 6-mile hike. It's taken us about an hour so far, and I figured this would be a good spot just to stop, grab a quick drink, a bite to eat, maybe some nuts, and then get back on our way. What is it? Oh man, this is unreal. Well, it was hard work getting here. There's a couple points where we definitely couldn't find the trail. Like, you just had no clue which way you were going. So I had to fan out in a grid pattern. And yeah, managed to stay on track though. Took us a little bit longer for the second half, maybe like an hour 45, something like that. It's 2:47 now. Pretty sure we were eating lunch at 1 o'clock, so a little bit longer just because of all the route finding. But right now, we're gonna swim. We are gonna swim. Oh, Peter. She's going for it, Petey. Petey! Go, Petey! Yeah! Oh, let's go! Feel like Tarzan right now. Probably got water on the leg. Oh, she got in with me. You can't see, really. The water's not clear, it's dark, and I don't have a lot of phobias, but water that I can't see the bottom of really freaks me out. So look at it. It's beautiful. You did so good, Petey. You did so good, Petey. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. My mushroom top is a good example of why you don't cut your own hair, even in a pandemic. But we're just going to sit here, eat some lunch, enjoy this beautiful waterfall, and then we're going to head back down trail and see if we can't find a place to camp for the night. Well, it's just unreal. Unreal. What's up? Hmm? What is it? We just got to a spot on the trail on the way back, and she just stopped. She won't go any further. She just keeps growling at something. I don't know. I don't know what it is. She like smelled something and just stopped. What was it? Hmm? You know, you're supposed to sleep inside the tent, not on it. Hmm? Come on. I'll get your bed out. There you go. Nothing fancy for dinner tonight. We had a big day. Big day, didn't we, pretty? We ended up back where we had lunch, which is okay because, so from here, basically, the trail runs out and whatever is down that way is just kind of like unmarked trail. Some people have left little bits of tape and stuff every so often along the way, so you can kind of find your way, but a lot of it's just very rough. So all in all, it's now 7 o'clock, which is about dinner time for you, so I'll feed her after I've had mine. But yeah, we ended up doing probably about 9 miles. 9 miles today, which is a big day for both of us. I can't remember the last time I had a 9-mile day. But it felt nice, it felt good. I figured, well, we tried, there was one spot where we could have camped on the way back, but I figured if we get back to here, and then it's just straight trail, that the trail that comes to here is an old logging road by the looks of it. So it's very easy to follow. It only took us about an hour. Oh, bullfrog. Oh, frog. It's a frog. It's a frog. Yeah, it only took us about an hour to get to here this morning, so that shouldn't be too bad tomorrow morning. Whereas I figured she'd had a big day, whilst we were in the mood and we were on the go, might as well get the bulk of it done. And I didn't even realise there was on the way in, because the trail goes that way, but right here there's a little campsite that someone made, so that's perfect for us. I don't anticipate anything too exciting. Just gonna go to sleep, hit the hay. I got a little bit of bourbon just in a plastic water bottle, probably have that just before bed, and that's it really. for anyone who's interested, someone did ask me before, because I had the little scale, I was able to weigh my pack this morning before we left, fully loaded with her stuff, my stuff, and food. And my food, her food, came in at 22.5 pounds, which isn't bad really. I can absolutely live with that. It didn't start to feel heavy until the end. Actually, it was after we finished at the waterfall and I went to put the bag back on, then it felt heavier. But yeah, good day, fun day, type 2 fun, super cool waterfall. I mean, that was awesome. That was so cool. One of the best ones I think I've ever been to around here. So yeah, good day. Good day. What do you say, Peter? Oh, you did good, so good, Petey. Little Peter. My little Peter. Yeah, she's ready for bed. I'm ready for bed. That's what we're gonna do. Probably light a little fire, just so it's going, just so something's smoking, in case anything comes down. And yeah, apart from that, I'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning. Current time is 5:30, but we're gonna start to get up because I need to pee. Blue needs to pee. You can't see in the camera, but it's just starting to get light outside. Now you can't see anything. But yeah, no fire, no nothing. We're both tired. We're both falling asleep on that beach. I feel like I've been hit by a bus this morning. So yeah, if you like this, give it a like. Let me know if you like this little short backpacking videos. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next one. Take it easy.